Well, good morning. Good morning. Here we are. Like we said, this is what, the second or third year that we've talked with some robotics team. So first of all, tell us your name and where you guys are from.
Oh, I'm Haley Dyson and we're from Lindsay Lane Robotics.
Awesome, awesome. And you were just telling me during the break, we've got juniors, seniors, sophomores, and even an eighth grader involved in the team. So how many people are on the team total?
We've got 21 and we go anywhere from like seniors in high school all the way down to seventh graders in middle school.
Awesome, awesome. And you told me you've competed for 5 years in this competition?
Yes, sir. I've been on the team for 5 years.
That is great. So I'm assuming that it takes a lot of talent, a lot of engineering, and a lot of ingenuity, that's a big word, to be able to put together something like this.
Oh yeah, the whole competition is all about innovation and what's going on in the robotics world right now. So this year we're talking about farming and we're learning all about harvesting and aeroponics and all that fun stuff. So it's awesome.
So that's why this robot may be just a little bit different with the way the arm is articulated, and you were telling something about being able to drop golf balls, is that what you said?
Yes, sir. The golf balls are kind of like corn seeds, and our robot's going to be able to go out and plant those like a real planter would, and then it's able to go out and harvest corn and tomatoes and lettuce and stuff, so that's really cool.
Now, I'm just curious, do you guys work on this particular project the entire year, or is there just a set weeks, months that you work on it?
Well, we start out with 6 weeks, and then we go and compete at Calhoun, which is this Saturday, by the way, so that's really cool. And then if we move on to kind of our state competition, then we get another 6 weeks to work on it.
And you said you placed 11th last year out of 40-something schools?
Yes, sir. We really enjoy what we do, and we work really hard at it. And we are very thankful to have done really well in the past couple of years.
Well, who is your guy here controlling the robot?
This is Andy. He's our engineering director this year.
Andy, I'll just let you introduce them.
Okay, this is Jonah. He's kind of our vice president of our company. And that's Dane Finley. He's an eighth grader with our team, and he's kind of our aeroponics expert right now.
Awesome. So if he stays in the program, he'll get 5 years to work in the robotics team. So, well, show us what some of the special techniques that this robot can do.
All right, so we kind of have 4 different strategies, and that's all revolves around how it's going to go out, what it's going to harvest, and how much it's going to harvest. We only have about 3 minutes to actually compete per round. So these hands are going to go up and they're going to grab the corn, which is kind of at different heights up on the stalks. And then it's going to take it, it's going to put it in the sorter bin, and it's going to go and it's going to get seeds and plant those. So it's really involved, and it's really cool that we're able to simulate something that's going on in the real world right now.
Well, and it really is, and with all the drought that we've had, you know, corn, I just saw a report on the news last night about farmers trying to pick their corn and the fact that they're, you know, trying to let it stay as long as they can, but we just haven't had any rain. So, well, that is very, very interesting. Now, how many batteries does it take?
Oh, we run through batteries all the time. I have no idea how many we run through.
That is so cool. And, you know, like we talked about last year, you see a lot of wood on this, you see a lot of wiring, but you even see some things that you could buy, I guess, like at Home Depot or Lowe's, right?
Most of the stuff you could get from there, the only things that you really couldn't are our servos and our motors. So it's really cool that we're able to build it just from stuff that you can buy around here for the most part.
And now, do they give you a little bit of leeway, or is it very strict as far as what you can use to build your robot with?
We're set down to a certain materials list as far as what we can use, and we can only use what comes in the consumable kits.
Gotcha.
So that includes the motors and everything, and like what kinds of woods and stuff.
Now, what was your name again? Andy, is this the first time that you've been in control of the robot, or is this something you've done a few years?
No, this is actually my 3rd year controlling the robot. And
Gotcha.
this year I've been able to oversee the robot and it's been a blessing.
Gotcha. So that's a pretty big task. And then tell me your name again.
I'm Jonah, I'm Vice President.
Jonah. And so what are your main tasks that you do each year?
I do a little bit of everything. I help marketing out with the building of their booth. Primarily, since we have so few engineers this year, I've been in our bot barn constructing the robot. I'm just a jack of all trades in the robotics team.
Every team has got to have a jack of all trades. That's what I usually was. I was the jack of all trades, the master of none. Have you ever heard that term before? So, and then what was your name again, sir? Dave? Dave. Good. So what's been your most exciting part of being involved in this team?
Definitely doing the aeroponics and seeing how the robot will work.
That's awesome. That's awesome. Well, we're so excited that y'all are here, and we say good luck. because we're Lindsay Lane folks, so good luck in this competition. We hope this year you win, and you can come back and tell us how you did.
We're really proud to be here, and we hope to be back next year.
That
Thank
is
you.
awesome. Well, thanks so much for bringing, Maddie's checking this thing out. Well, show us one more time some of the, wow, that is so cool. And then the fact that these servos use that. So, well, stay tuned. We'll try to give you guys an update on how they did, and we're gonna wish them luck. Be back.
All right.